Glock 43 owners, I need a little help. I just bought a Glock 43 about a week and a half ago, and last night I came across a situation that kind of was disturbing. I had just gotten rid of my Glock 42, and I was very satisfied with the 42. The 43, as of last night, I'm a little unsatisfied. The problem I'm having is the slide lock. It locks back fine, and it releases fine. The problem I'm having is that once the magazine is empty, fired off all the shots, and it locks back, I cannot, this will not release. I cannot drop the slide on this thing. What I think is happening, if somebody can reassure me of this is what I suspect, is that when the magazine is empty, if you can see this, the cutout for the slide lock comes right in here. This thing comes up, pushes up against the slide lock lever, and pushes on the insert at an angle. It's only the front part of it here that is going down, not the entire piece sliding down on the spring. It tilts, and when it tilts, it's now in a jamming up in the block inside the magazine itself, which is preventing me from releasing the slide. As you see, it's fine without the magazine, or with a full magazine. If I go from emptying one out, it locks back, I get another full one, drop it in, it releases fine. No effort whatsoever on the slide release. But once that one has emptied out and it's gone back into the lock mode, and now I've decided, well, I'm done for the day. The chamber's empty. I can visually see inside. Everything is fine. There's no reason to pull the magazine out. It's empty. I can secure it for the day, put it back in the case. I cannot release the slide on this thing without releasing the magazine first, and no effort. I can get it down. I can get the slide to go. I don't understand what is going on here. Did Glock come out with a new magazine? This is an 01. I'm guessing is an upgrade from maybe the original already. Have they come out with an 02, an upgraded version to number 2 that I'm not aware of? If so, leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. This is Saturday morning, early Saturday morning. It's still dark outside, as you can see out my side window here. I have not contacted Glock. I want to get y'all's Glock professionals and owners, get y'all's opinion first. Oh, I keep saying y'all. I wish I wouldn't. But get your opinion on what's going on before I contact Glock. and find out from them what is going on. This is crazy. My 42 did not have this problem. And I do not have my 43 with me right now. I have given it to my son, and I don't recall, because I've played with these things, because I changed out the bottom plate on the 42, and so I had played with this on the 42, and I don't remember it going down at an angle and jamming up inside here. Now, if that's that's what I suspect is going on. If there's something else, if it's jamming up here on the notch where the slide lock is coming up into the notch on the slide itself, I don't think so, because there's no reason for them to work easily now. So, Glock owners, Glock 43 owners, I need y'all's help. Thank you. Talk to you later.